My name is Stephanie Mays, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for SiteOwl. I started as a systems integrator and came up through the operations side, and then I moved over to the manufacturing world and was Vice President of Sales for Pelco and a couple of other manufacturers, both nationally and globally. SiteOwl really attracted me because I enjoy building things. That's one of my strengths, and I thought it was a very unique opportunity to come in on the ground floor with a dynamic and transformative business that's going to change the industry. Integrators always are challenged with handover meetings when they go from the sales side to the operations side and then to the service side, and they lose money and revenue out the back door by not having accurate information on exactly what's at a location, or having things change in the field, or not having their warranty dates in line. SiteOwl enables all of that to come together on the floor plan and make the intelligent data of the floor plan a tool for the integrator to hold themselves more accountable and their customers more accountable as well. Many end users struggle with consolidating all of the information from a variety of projects. They have system as-builts that aren't holistic because they had multiple integrators doing the work over time, and SiteOwl enables them to keep all of that in one location, and then they can provision to different integrators as they do specific projects, and they could own the data as well. Many systems integration companies live project to project, and in order to keep the rest of their staff on board that they've invested a lot of time and money in, they need to build up their recurring revenue model to stabilize that. SiteOwl gives them the opportunity to provide more value in their service contract offering because they can bring something that's a living floor plan that has all of that history and allow them to do capital budget and long-term planning with their customers more effectively. And working in the security industry with large enterprise manufacturing companies, I had the opportunity to meet with very big Fortune 500, Fortune 100 global accounts who often mentioned their struggle with the lack of visibility of all of their project data and the disparity between all the different integration partners they had around the world. SiteOwl enables them to have one central location and basically a vault for all of that data.